We're going to use a calculator to find a plus b, ab, and the inverse of a. Go to apps, arrow to data matrix, and let's do a new one. And data, right arrow, and then go down to matrix, hit enter, and then go down to the variable name. I'm just going to type in a. Row dimension we want 2, and then column dimension is also 2. Enter for OK. Yeah, mine says variable or flash application in use. So I'll go and rename my matrix maybe double A. Oh, that one worked. Go ahead and type your entries in. When you're done, just hit home and then do the same thing for B. Once it's in, go to the home screen and then you type the name of your matrix, say A, plus, and then type the name of your other matrix. Use the alpha to get the letters. Just do enter when you're done. Now on that same home screen, we're going to do A times B. You do have to put a times between the names of your matrices. And also on the home screen, let's find A inverse, so just type the name of your matrix. And then you do the caret, and then parentheses, and -1, and parentheses, enter. We'd like to solve this system of equations. First thing we're going to do is represent it as matrices. We're going to call the coefficient matrix capital A. The x and y we're going to call capital X, and this we'll call capital B. So let's go over here and analyze this AX equals B using matrix algebra. We want to get x by itself. So to get rid of A, we're going to take A inverse times it on the left. We know that A inverse exists because we found it previously. And we do it on the left both sides because matrix multiplication is often not commutative. Now A inverse times A is the identity matrix. That comes from the definition of what an inverse is. And then identity times anything will give you back what you started with. So we solve for x, it's A inverse B. So to use our calculators, we just need to find A inverse and multiply it by B. So let's enter B. You could just delete your old B and then enter a new B. I'm going to show you how to edit your existing B. So you would go to apps, data matrix, and then go to open, and then your data you need to arrow over so it knows to look for the matrices. Then go down to variable in right arrow, and then just select B, and then enter for OK. The matrix we had before was 2 by 2, but B is a 2 by 1 matrix. We need to delete the second column. So right arrow over to the second column, and then you go to F6, which is second F1. And F6 is utility, and then arrow down to delete. The right arrow to see the menu on it, and go down to column and hit enter, and it should be gone. So now we have the 2 by 1 like we like, and go ahead and put in -12 and 54. So now let's go to our home screen, type A, caret, parenthesis, -1, right parenthesis, then the times, and then your B, and we get 3, -6. So that means x equals 3 and y equals -6.